I have spent $75,000 sending text messages, right? And it has helped me generate $2.87 million. I'm showing you inside our e-commerce platform. It's a pretty established business by now, but this is our text messaging platform. We have a platform called 𝗙𝗢𝗟𝗪. That's the name of the text messaging platform. 𝗙𝗢𝗪𝗪. I'm not affiliated with them. I don't need you guys to go and hire them. There's many different companies. There's another one called Attentive. There's another one called Simple Texting. It doesn't matter. This is the one that we use because it integrates very well with our e-commerce platform, which is called Shopify. To give you an idea, we have a list of people that we grow. So we have 237,000 phone numbers. That's a little bit, right? It's a chunk, right? It's a few phone numbers. We do have millions of emails. Phone numbers have become extremely vital, more than emails right now. Why? Because emails, if you put it on a graph, the open rates have been plummeting, while text messaging has been steady. People open up messages at 95% rates. You send a message to 1,000 people, guaranteed at least 950 are going to open up that message. You send 1,000 emails. If you do a good job and your subjects are good and attractive, you get 20% of those open up your emails. 28% is like genius levels in email marketing this day and era, especially when you're hitting people with communications every day. The industry for email marketing is at 18% right now. On average, you send an email to 1,000 people, 180 of them will open it, 820 will not ever see that message. It's just the way it is. It's sad, right? Because you invest a lot of money on email lead acquisition and then people are not seeing your messages. So a couple of years ago, which is my obsession, I jumped ahead of the crowd or at the beginning of a moving train and I said, things are changing, we gotta acquire phone numbers, let's go. We got to go heavy at this. So this is the evidence of that. So what has happened with that? Is it just a cute vanity number? Well, let's see. Let's go to the whole year. Last 365 days. I have spent $75,000 sending text messages, right? And it has helped me generate $2.87 million. $2.870260.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good, right? I'm sure to God, I'm not looking for an applause, all right? I want to create an awakening. I want to show you guys what the opportunity is like. This is the customer value, and you're right. He has a really good point. He says yes for Shopify. That doesn't even take into account people that are calling us from our text messaging, which happens every single day, people that are going to Amazon to buy our products, which happens every single day. This is directly attributed to people clicking on our links on that text message and buying our products on our website. So the total ROI on that is $3,695. So raise your hand if you have a bigger or better ROI of something, all right? That means that for every dollar that I'm putting on text messaging marketing, I am getting $370 back. Somebody correct me. My math is not the best in the world. For every dollar that I put on SMS, it's 0.007 cents per text message. That's not how you start, though. I have a big volume. You usually start with 1 cent or a little bit higher. I pay 0.007 cents per message. For every dollar I put into that, I get $370 back, all right? No casino, doesn't matter how lucky you are, will ever give you that return on your investment, all right? So that's the value of building a list. That's the value of you having phone numbers. It doesn't matter if you have 20 of them. It doesn't matter if you have 150 of them or if you have 150,000 or 220,000. It doesn't really matter. What matters is that you take care of them, that you nurture them, that you communicate to them every day, and then you continue to develop your line of products, offerings, and services to help these people solve their problems. And that's how you grow. 60% of our revenue in Natural Slim is getting people to keep on buying our stuff. Great quality products, great quality offerings, and we keep on developing that particular line and giving people results, 40% of it we invest into acquiring new customers that have never purchased from us before, which is pretty much unlimited. As you guys saw, there are hundreds of millions of people, and we're just getting started. I want you guys to understand how big the market is. So if Natural Slim does $50 million in a year, which is amazing, right? Wow, it's a dream. Well, that's $50 million. Herbalife, that all of you guys have heard about, or most of you guys have heard about, it's one of the biggest supplement brands on the world. They did $5 billion last year. So I got a lot of room to grow. So when I understand that, I know, wait a second, I got to hustle. We got a lot of work to do. Because also a lot of those products are not as good as our products. We have a great product and a great service, which they don't have. We do have a program that gets people by the hand and delivers high quality services also in complement with the products. That's what made us different. We do have a service. We're not a product machine. We are a service machine. We like to consider ourselves a service business, which again, that's another thing that I recommend. You guys find a way to make yourself special by delivering something of quality like a service in exchange for them buying our products, right? So again, that shows you what that opportunity is. So if you work on a list, and you have people that already are purchasing your things, make sure that you know, even if you're an artist, right? Like once a week, send them a highlight of what you're working on. Let them know. Stay in communication with your people. If you do that, people will keep on buying into you, no matter what you're doing, how you're doing it. It's gonna be extremely powerful. Create your list, nurture them, and that's how you really build a business in today's environment, all right?